Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel Hub of Online Skills. So first of all guys, we will practice that how to write this. Allama Iqbal is our national poet and you must have to take this marker like 605. So you must have also know about the alignment of your marker, that when we will write the English we must have to form the position like this, that the upper corner will be in the left one and the lower side will be in the right one. Okay, so first of all we will start with the alphabet A, and we must also have know about the basic stroke, which is left slide. And so let's start. And whenever you write these letters you must have to remember the strokes, basic strokes, which I have already written in the previous videos. So you must have to watch that videos and must subscribe the channel, and also comment the videos that how you look about your videos, and you must tell me that what should I do for better enrollment of your videos, that whichever you want to take from my side. Okay, I will really appreciate your comments, whatever you will give to my videos. So you must have to practice this type of alphabets more and more times. Whenever you write this type of alphabets you must have to use the paper like A4 paper, and you must have to write these lines and practice. Just you must have to really focus on my alignment of the marker, and whenever you will search that how I am writing and my hand movement is how I am moving, so then you will easily learn that how could you easily write these alphabets. So it's not a difficult, it's just easy for you, just need your focus and believe. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.